Welcome back to Motor Insight. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Kawasaki KLX 230DF, a lightweight dual-sport machine built for riders who want a perfect blend of agility, reliability, and everyday usability. Let's get into the full 5-minute review. Design and ergonomics. The KLX 230DF carries Kawasaki's signature dual-sport styling, slim, tall, rugged, and ready for action. It features a lightweight frame that makes it incredibly approachable for new riders while still being engaging for experienced ones. The comfortable upright seating position, well-placed handlebars, and narrow seat mean you get excellent control whether you're navigating tight city streets or rough terrain. The bodywork is practical, with minimalistic panels and a high-mounted front fender. Kawasaki keeps the design functional and durable, which dual-sport riders will appreciate. Engine and performance. At the heart of the KLX 230DF is a 233 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine. It's designed for simplicity, low maintenance, and dependable performance. It delivers smooth, predictable power, perfect for trail riding and everyday commuting. The throttle response is friendly, making the bike easy to handle during slow off-road maneuvers, yet it has enough punch to cruise comfortably on suburban and rural roads. It also comes with fuel injection, ensuring consistent performance in changing temperatures and altitudes. Suspension and handling. The suspension setup is built for versatility. Up front, you have long travel forks that soak up bumps and rocks with ease, while the rear monoshock provides a balanced and controlled ride. The KLX 230DF feels light and flickable, making it a great confidence booster when navigating uneven terrain. Its balanced geometry helps it stay stable at higher speeds while remaining agile on trails. Braking and tires. Disc brakes at both ends give the KLX 230DF strong and reliable stopping power. The brake feel is smooth and predictable, which is exactly what you want on mixed surfaces. Depending on the market, ABS is available and tuned to work well on pavement while still giving a natural feel on loose dirt. The dual-sport tires strike a balance between grip on asphalt and traction in off-road environments. Whether you're sliding through dirt or taking sharp corners on city streets, the tires offer reassuring stability and flexibility. Technology and features. The KLX 230DF keeps things simple to maintain its lightweight and dependable nature. The digital instrument cluster displays essential information clearly, including speed, trip data, fuel level, and indicator lights. It's minimal yet functional, ideal for riders who prefer riding over tinkering. There are no complicated riding modes, no excessive electronics, and no extra weight. This makes the bike easy to maintain and ensures fewer things can go wrong over time, which is a huge plus for dual-sport riders who value rugged simplicity. Price, USA. The 2026 Kawasaki KLX 230DF is priced at $5,099 in the USA. This puts it in a very competitive range for dual-sport motorcycles, offering affordability, low running costs, and Kawasaki reliability. It's an ideal choice for riders looking for versatility without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching Motor Insight. If you enjoyed this review and want more straightforward breakdowns of upcoming bikes and cars, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. See you in the next one.